Okay, the next bar chord building exercise will be for a minor chord that's derived from an A minor shape. Normally you would play an A minor like so. Okay, but to move it up one fret doesn't sound so good. So we need to cover with your pointer finger over here on the first fret of the high E string. So the most simple chord at this point would be an A sharp or a B flat minor using 3 fingers. So the first building block is put your pointer on the first fret of the E string. Okay, put your middle finger on the second fret of the B string and put your ring finger on the third fret of the G string. And you're going to pluck 3 strings. So again, that's a triad. So to fill the chord out a bit, what you're going to do is you're going to take your pinky and put it where your ring finger was, and put your ring finger on the third fret of the D string, and you're going to pluck 4 strings. That's your next building block. Now, the next step in building this bar chord would be to maintain these 3 fingers exactly where they are. Take your pointer finger and use it as a finger, not as a bar. Put it on the first fret of the A string. Okay? You're going to pluck 4 strings. Make sure you get them all clear. Okay, once you get those clear, you're going to maintain the same positioning. Now what I want you to do is try to flatten out your pointer finger so that it gets the B flat or A sharp note out, and also gets the high F on the E string, and you should have this. And that is your goal for that bar chord type. Some would argue that you could include the lowest string. I prefer not to use it, but that's up to you.